Hello everybody, this is Tom from 20th Century Rescue. I have this wonderful black and gold TOLE lamp, candlestick TOLE lamp, and the main reason for this video is not just to show you the condition, but to tell you the electrical condition, and we'll get to that in a second. You can see it has spotting on the inside. Now, when I got this, each center of each spot had rust. I took the rust off with extra fine steel wool, but you need to be aware this was in a damp area for a very long time, and that does affect the shade as well. There you go. Those are pre-rust spots. So you can leave it as is if you have a nice, dry, stable environment. Those are not splatters. Each one has a little center, little dot in the center, and that's rust about to come up. So they can be, I did not touch the outside of this with extra fine steel wool, but you should with 000 or quadruple zero steel wool go over each spot, and quite frankly it should be repainted, or have a professional do it somehow, and it won't look like it's been repainted. I don't know if that's possible or not, but here's the main issue. The socket for the electrics. The socket has signs of burning. It popped when I turned it on. I don't know if you can see it. Shoot, yes. Right where is it? Can't see it. You'll see it in the pictures. That little spot to the right there, is a burn mark. And you can see it, perhaps you can see it down there along the rim, or not the rim, on the bottom edge of that. Do not plug this in. If you purchase this, it must be rewired first. Do not plug it in. And if you do purchase this, I want an acknowledgement by Etsy email that you have seen this video and that you understand if you do plug it in, because I did plug it in and I showed pictures of it lit up, but I did not do it again. So I don't want to cause any harm to anybody, and if you plug it in after you get it without it being rewired, then I will essentially not be responsible. So just be careful. Most vintage lamps, this is the first lamp I've ever had an issue with. Looked fine, of course. This is vintage, and most vintage lamps should be rewired. But just this is a very important FYI, and any purchaser must acknowledge this video and the disclaimer in the listing before it is sent. Alright, everybody, I hope you have a safe, fire-free Sunday, and you be well. Bye-bye.